Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticated Me, and in today's video I'm going to show you what's new in beauty plus what's new in Disney, because I attended a Disney Social Media Moms celebration event, so I'm really excited to show you what I received at that event. All of the products featured today were gifted to me by the brands or their PR reps. If you don't enjoy these kinds of videos, I totally get it. Feel free to exit out and check out some of the other videos on my channel. I cover beauty, fashion, travel, family vlogs, you name it, I cover it all. If you do enjoy seeing what's new in beauty and what's new at Disney, then let's get started. I'm going to start with the Disney stuff because it is like, I don't know, I'm really loving the things that I got, and I'm going to Disney this summer again with my family, so I'm just really excited, and I'm just like, my mind is all Disney right now. So when we got to the event, and I'll cover the event in a vlog so you guys can see, I learned about stuff that's happening at the parks, new attractions, new festivals that are happening, so I will be doing a dedicated vlog to that and blog posts so that if you guys are interested in Disney news in general, you will be updated in that video. Now when we got to the event, every person got a couple of things. So the first thing that I was like, the most obvious was that everyone got one of these, and it says it's my birthday, and it's one of the Mickey Mouse ears hats, and it's a birthday hat. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, so this is super fun to wear at the park. If you are going to Disney for your birthday, then you can wear these, and they're so cute, and they have that confetti, they're clear, but they have that confetti kind of painted on the ears. And if you aren't aware, Disney and Mickey's outfits for this year, it's honoring Celebration 90 years, and their outfits are white with all of these multicolored confetti and pom-poms for Minnie and then confetti for Mickey, and so it kind of looks like this. It's super cute, so I love it. And then we also got a notebook and a pen for us to take notes with. It says nothing to it, and it's Donald. And then the notebook is two-sided, so on one side we have Mickey like this, and then the other side we have several Mickeys and Prince. This is my favorite side. I think it's really cute. So they were raffling a few things throughout the event, and I was one of the very first winners to win something, and what I won was, I know if you guys are Disney fans, you'll be excited to see this. I won the very new Briar Rose Gold ears. This is the it color. This is the one that everyone wants right now. This is the it ears. Last year it was the rose gold. Now it's Briar Rose. So yes, if you're into the Mickey ears, you'll love these. The difference between this and last year's, the color is very similar. They're kind of rose gold. I think this one's just a tad more champagne. I don't know if it's just me picking that up. I do have the other one. I can compare them later in a vlog. But this is, instead of it being sequin, it's kind of like glitter. The bow is still sequin, but yeah, it's really sparkly and very pretty, and I'm just so happy that I won it. Here we go. Is it me? It's totally me. And along with the ears, I also got the Briar Rose travel coffee mug, and it says I live in Fantasyland, and it's the castle with stars, and obviously it's covered in that Briar Rose glitter. At the end of the event, Courtney, who was our hostess with the mostest, she had one more thing to raffle off, and it was a pair of earrings from Rebecca Hook. Rebecca Hook designs these beautiful pieces, these limited pieces for Disney, and so one of the things that she was giving away at the very end was a pair of these. But then she decided she was going to be like Oprah, and everyone got a pair. So of course there were yells and claps and laughter, and everyone was super happy, including myself, because I was looking at these exact earrings on the website before I went to the event, and now I don't have to buy them. So here is the beautiful box that these gorgeous earrings come in. So when you open the box, it says here, laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age. Dreams are forever. That's a Walt Disney quote right there. I love that. And then here's the little card for the brand. It says Rebecca Hook Jewelry, collection coming soon to the Disney store at Times Square. It's a trunk show June 7th and 8th. and follow them on Instagram at Rebecca Hook Disney. So there you go, follow them. And here are the earrings. They are so cute. They are rose gold Minnie Mouse shaped earrings. It has the little bow at the top with a little crystal at the center, and then the ear shape itself is, or the face shape of Minnie is made up of little crystals. It's so cute, so pretty. I can't wait to wear these. And as if that weren't enough, we also got a gift bag. And here is that gift bag. It's a drawstring backpack, and it says Lake Buena Vista, Florida, Magic Kingdom, 1st of October, 1971. And you can see, those are not the earrings, don't worry. You can see here it says October 1st, 1982, Epcot over here. And then it says Animal Kingdom, the 22nd of April, 1998. And then you see the parks, things from the parks. Hollywood Studios, May 1st, 1989. Now to what's inside. So, there is a Walt Disney World coffee mug, another one. This one's going to my husband. Then there is a Disney Parks power bank with the charging cord, so when you're out and about in the parks, you don't have to worry about your phone dying or your camera. I have a Sony, so this is exact charger that I need to charge my Sony camera. So yeah, I have this to recharge, and then off I go to my magical adventure. This bag has a zippered compartment kind of hidden on the side, so when you open that up, there is an Adventures by Disney leather-bound notebook. Is this actual leather? I don't know. Feels like leather. It might be faux leather. But it says Castelli made in Italy. Very nice book. And then last but not least, they gave me a little Mickey Mouse. And so this is basically what Mickey looks like right now. If you go see him at Disney World, this is kind of what basically what his outfit looks like. This is the confetti that I was talking to you about. And it's so cute. And oh, at the end of the event, we did get to take pictures with Mickey and Minnie in their new celebration outfits. So that was obviously my favorite part of everything. Had a great time. Thank you, Disney, for inviting me to the event. I had a great time, and I cannot wait to share some of the things that I learned, some of the new things happening at Disney. I'm so excited to share. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you are a Disney fan, because I will be producing more Disney content this year. Moving on to a gift bag from an event that I attended today. I went to the Moms Network event, Mamarazzi. They're a really great source for things for moms in general, and they had an event with Poise, and so I attended. I will be covering that in an upcoming vlog as well, but I want to show you what they gave us in the gift bag, because some of this is really, all of it is really good. So there's an info sheet here, because Poise, if you're unaware, they are pads for LBL, which is like bladder leakage. And so there's some information. There was an OBGYN there who was speaking, as well as one of the trainers from the venue. It was hosted at this amazing, exclusive, like New York City fancy gym. So we talked about that, and then Poise gave us some scrunchies, which I think are really cute. I'm gonna give this to Catalina because I can't really hold much here. But this will be fun for her. And then they gave us some Hi there, amazing. Say hello to comfort and confidence. These are some of those Poise pads. And then they gave us this, which is a Lush bath bomb, and it smells so good. I was carrying this around and I didn't peek in, but it smelled so good. I was like, what is that? Well, I don't know what bath bomb this is, but it smells so flippin' good. Oh, so good. I can't even describe it. Maybe it has a little lavender. There's sweetness to it. Oh, it's really nice. If any of you are like Lush fanatics, let me know what this bath bomb is, because I want to buy more. It's so good. Then we got two masks by Tony Moly. This one is Cherry Blossom, and this is a brightening mask, and then this is I'm Lavender, and this is a hydrating mask sheet. They make the cutest little products, but then they're also good. It's not just a gimmicky thing that you carry around and take pictures of. The products are actually very good. So I'm excited to try these sheet masks. Then they gave us 2 O.P.I nail polishes. I love O.P.I, so I'm loving these shades. They're perfect for the spring and summer. This one is called Lavender to Find Courage. So lavender clearly is the theme here. A pretty beautiful lavender color. And then there's this one, which is called Berry Fairy Fun, which is a sparkly, deeper purple. And then last but not least, we got a little gift card for that spa, which I'm really excited to use. It was a really great, like, Mother's Day event. Really great. Love the moms. Okay, now moving on to 2 boxes that I received through PR that were mailed to me. One is my Pixie. The next one, the last one, is pretty amazing. It's pretty epic, actually. So I'm leaving that one for the end. I'm going to open up Pixie first. And the box says, it's time to say a glowing hello to... And here's what the inside of the box looks like. From me to you, a collection of glow-enhancing products developed to bring out your most beautiful glow. XOXO Petra. Get glowing gorgeous, enter for a chance to win a retreat in California. Okay, and then here are the products. Ooh, some of these are new to me. Okay, so here we go. The first thing is an exfoliating cleanser. This is Pixie's Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel with Moist Clean and glycolic acid. Tone, this is an award-winning toner. This is their Glow Tonic. I have tons of these. We'll definitely be putting that in an upcoming giveaway, so stay tuned for that. This is To Treat. This is their exfoliating serum, and this is the Glow Tonic Serum with glycolic acid and aloe vera. I definitely have this one too, so this one is going to go into an upcoming giveaway. To Hydrate, we have a balancing hydrator, and this is their Phenomenal Gel Aloe Vera and Chestnut. I have not tried that, so I'm going to hold on to that one. Sorry, guys. And then the last one, it says Moisture Multi-Use Moisture Stick on the Glow with ginseng and glycolic acid. This is also new to me, so I'm definitely going to have to break into that and check that out. And that last box, as I mentioned, it's pretty amazing. I did have to open it up because when I got the box from my P.O. box, it had fragile written all over it, and I was like, oh my god, what is it? And it's pretty heavy, and yeah, I have to show you. There's a little card here, and this looks like it feels like recycled paper, and it says awaken your senses with the new Caress botanical soap bars. You guys, look at this. It is so cute. There's actual soil at the bottom of this. Again, this is why I had to like open this up right away. I'm leaving for Los Angeles in a few hours, but I'm up here late because I needed to break into this box right away. So we have some leaves here, real actual leaves. We have this adorable pink watering jug. So cute. It's very old-timey. This is staying with me. I'm keeping this in my office because it's just so cute. Love that. Let me show you the bars and then I'll show you the rest. So the bars of soap, they're kind of taped together, sorry. This is the charcoal and rosehip oil. This is a purifying soap bar, paraben free. Oh, it smells so good, and it's just beautiful packaging. This is the Caress Botanicals Lotus and Red Clay soap bar. And the last one, well, I'm just gonna have to, it's taped really well, so I'm gonna have to show it to you like this. This one is the Caress Botanicals White Orchid and Coconut Milk soap bar. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. And it's taped up to a little bag of soil. How cute is this? So here's the vase that I would be putting the soil in. Very beautiful, white and gold, totally my aesthetic. Love this. Beautiful porcelain vase. And then look at this. This is so cute. Here are my tools. There's a brush, a rake, a shovel, and tongs. So cute. My daughter is gonna get such a kick out of this. She's really into gardening. Whenever we go to New Orleans, she loves to play in her grandmother's garden. So she's gonna get a kick out of this. And let me show you the bottom of this box. Is that not like super creative? Thank you, Caress, for sending me this amazing, super creative box. I'm gonna have a great time planting this soil and growing some things with my daughter here in my New York City apartment. So, love that. All right, and that was everything that's new that I received through PR from Disney and these other beauty brands. I loved everything. Let me know if you want me to do a detailed review on any of the products that I feature. As with always, I will link to all of the products that I feature in my videos down in the description box below, as well as my social media. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. You can follow me there. You can also sign up to my newsletter, which is also linked down below. I have my P.O. box there if you want to send me a card. I would love to write to you guys. And use that comment section below if you have any questions, requests, or just want to say hi. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that like button if you enjoy this video, and share it if you, again, enjoy this video and know I have friends who are interested in any of these products, because these are some really great products. So if you have friends who are beauty obsessed like me, like probably you, let them know. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that notification button and select the always option so that you get notifications every time I upload. I make new videos every single week. Again, I cover beauty, fashion, travel, DIY projects, you name it, I cover it all. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.